As with constants, LWPython evaluates variables by pushing the variable into the expression stack. Then LWPS retrieves the value associated with the variable from the variable's map. More formally, if the Python state at time t is line is I, tab is j, expression stack is empty, and the variable's map is vm, and statement at line I and tab j is x, and x is a variable, then at time t plus 1, the Python state is line is I, tab is j, the expression stack contains x, and the value stack is initialized, and the variable map is vm. And at time t plus 2, the Python state is line is I, tab is j, and x has been popped from the expression stack, and the value stack now has the value at x in map vm, and the variable's map is still vm. Let's look at an example. If the Python state at time 3 is line is 2, tab is 0, expression stack is empty, the variable's map contains one entry x and 7, and the statement at line 2, tab 0 is x, then we can conclude that at time 3 plus 1, or 4, the Python state is line is still 2, tab is still 0, the expression stack now contains x, the value stack is initialized, the variable's map is still the entry x7, and at time 4 plus 1, or 5, the Python state is line and tab is still the same, x has been popped from the expression stack, the value stack now contains the value at x in map with one entry x7, and the variable's map has one entry x7. We know that the value at x in this map is 7. Thus, we conclude that at time 5, the value stack now contains 7. Let's try running the simulator to see how LWPython evaluates a variable. First, we assign 7 to x. And now we can evaluate x. And we're done.